and there was 128 teams from grassroots charity, not just the UK. There was America, across Europe.
Oh wow!
After the first round, we could see, like, this kit design we've come up with is really popular. And then got through another couple of rounds, and we were getting more and more votes each time. And it ended up, we got down to the final 2. And I still remember it again, another like really crazy moment during lockdown. We're on Twitter, we're all getting everybody to vote for the kit. We were actually losing in the final, and then all of a sudden, come downstairs after putting the lad to bed like I did just before this, turn the phone on, and again it was like 60, 70 notifications, clicked on it, and Tyrone Mings had like seen the shirt, saw what we were doing as Villa fans, retweeted it out, and he was saying, look, what these boys are doing is fantastic, get behind them, support them. He's now following us. He sent us a couple of messages and stuff, and it's just been surreal.